In today's video, we are reviewing Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. This is a much publicized stock that exploded with news in 2020 about a contract they were expecting to land from the United States Postal Service. Now the stock is diving with the threat of a securities fraud class action lawsuit related to these contract selection claims. How much should the loss of the USPS contract concern you, and how will this affect the stock going forward? Let's also discuss how you can potentially make money on this stock in the future while we go through a technical analysis of Workhorse stock chart. We will also take a quick look at the company's products, expected financial shortfall, analyst price targets, recent news levels of stock chart resistance, and concerns about short sellers reflected in the stock. This is Lynn with 60 Perfect, and thank you so much for joining me here today. So let's go and review today's hot stock. Just before we do that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Now let's take a look at Workhorse Yahoo Finance snapshot from March 29th, indicating the stock slide down of approximately 4%. This is a company with a $1.6 billion market cap and the 52-week price range from a low of $1.97 to a high of $42.96. Their earnings per share is only 0.70 and their PE is 18.47. You also note the significant average volume of 21 million shares trading per day. Workhorse, a technology company focused on providing drone integrated electric vehicles to the last mile delivery sector. They design and build high performance battery electrical vehicles, including trucks and aircraft. Workhorse also develops cloud-based real-time performance monitoring systems that are integrated with their vehicles and enable the optimization of energy and route efficiency. All Workhorse vehicles are designed to make the movement of people and goods more efficient. A March 26th article by Zacks Research stated that Wall Street will be looking for positivity from Workhorse as it approaches its next earnings date. Workhorse is projected to report earnings of negative 19 cents per share, which would be a year-over-year decline of 416%. Meanwhile, the Zacks consensus estimate for revenues is projecting net sales up 2,962% from a year ago. Workhorse's big expectations over the past year were to win a sizable USPS contract, but their shares fell 47% on February 23rd when USPS announced that Oshkosh Defense, not Workhorse, won this lucrative contract. Now Workhorse is facing a potential securities fraud class action lawsuit as a result of claiming Workhorse made false and or misleading statements about the likelihood that they would win the USPS contract, especially since USPS stated that electrifying their entire fleet would be impractical and astronomically expensive. The loss of this contract has sent the stock sliding down from its former high of $42 to the current approximately $13 price per share. The question is, how much lower can the stock go? Let's look at FinViz, which lists Workhorse as having a market cap of $1.7 billion and sales of $1.4 million. They show earnings per share this year as up 220% and next year projected to be up 77%. One area of big concern is the short float listed on March 29th as 26%, which is a high level for a stock. What do the analysts project about prospects for this stock? TipRanks lists ratings from 6 analysts with an average $21.50 price target over the next 12 months, and Workhorse is listed as a moderate buy. Now let's take a look at the crucial areas of resistance for this stock. The Workhorse one-year chart shows a lower level resistance at the red line level of $12 and a higher resistance at $42.96. It is possible that if the $12 level is broken, that the stock could head much lower. The year-to-date chart shows a slide down for much of 2021 with a close on March 29th at $12.93. If you found value in this video, if you haven't yet, please give it a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear your thoughts about Workhorse future for 2021 and beyond. Do keep in mind that these videos are for entertainment only and that you will need to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. I'm thrilled that you made it through this review. And now make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, as I have more videos on the way like this one. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!